good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Kyle. Today, well, it's pretty self-explanatory what we're doing. You can see behind me the finished product. We got the Mtill 150 on the Mahindra Max 26 XLT. This is a 26 horsepower tractor with 19 horsepower to the PTO shaft, running a 5-foot tiller. In my opinion, this is a great match. Covers your wheel width and has plenty of power to drive, at least here in Iowa soil at full depth, no problem. See, I have some videos above here if you want to check them out. Some videos on this tiller and the tractor itself, and also down below in the comments you'll see more videos on this 5-foot tiller and maybe some more preventive maintenance items and or I guess just the tiller in general. Let's get to the footage and we'll check out how well the tractor did here in the soil. Ooh, mountain no leaves. Alrighty, we got the tiller on here with the quick hitch. If you guys want to check this out, I've got some other videos here of actually installing the tiller on the tractor, but if you want to, I will put those links above. But for today, we're going to skip that. We're going to go ahead and just get the old PTO shaft on here. I like to do this where I leave off the ground just a little bit, so it helps me can rotate the PTO shaft to find that slot, and it helps to line it on there a little better. Here, click into place and we're good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and hook the safety chain on over here and we're ready to do some tilling. Let's go do it. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. It's bright, a little windy, but it's 50s. Not bad. All right, let's go do some tilling. About ready to go here. Let's throttle her down a little bit, put her into 4-wheel drive, make sure we are in low gear, and then put her seatbelt on for safety. That's why it's there, right? All right, we got her all engaged. Let's move forward here. We'll push the clutch in and we'll slowly let out the clutch to engage the PTO shaft. All right, we'll bring up the RPMs here. Back down, we'll push the clutch in, turn the PTO off. You can see we got quite a bit of, the soil's in perfect tilling in shape here. We got some really nice looking black soil, some weeds in it of course, but this stuff is beautiful. So we're gonna finish going here. You can see on the first pass here, we went down around the compost pile. I gotta get these leaves up in here a little bit better, but this stuff looks really nice. And it's tilling in really good, not too wet, not too dry. We're gonna go ahead and finish tilling all this here, and hopefully it turns out good looking, and we'll be ready to go for next spring. up really nice. Passes this way, and then we're going to turn around and go back this direction just to get one good more till under here. Well, that's going to wrap it up for today. It's a quick video, till in the garden here. I am going to go ahead and go the opposite direction, but you don't need to watch me do that. I'll go ahead and put you in time lapse if you want to stick around and check that out. If you guys enjoy outdoor videos, tractor videos, gardening videos, anything really outdoors, I'd encourage you guys to subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it if you do that. And again, let me know if you guys have any questions or comments, concerns, or ideas for the channel you'd like me to do. Hope you guys will enjoy a little bit of time-lapse video here of me going the opposite direction and tilling this, because tilling dirt's kind of like watching paint dry, but you know, it's also sometimes kind of enjoyable to watch and or do. So long story short, a little bit of tractor seat times always look good on a nice 56-degree day here in Iowa in the fall, and we're not going to have very many more days like this yet this year. So thanks again for stopping in. Until next time, this is Kyle signing out. Let's do some more tilling. How's that sound?